Welcome to a video of my channel, my third video I think. Pretty sure, yeah. So, my name is Red Phoenix. I'm terrible. I just want to be a YouTuber, that's all I want to be. So, I decided to make a video called Battle Cats. I had this game for a while. I'm pretty bad at it. I'm a noob, as I would say. And I'm not so good at it. I'm not as good as people on the internet, but you know, I'm just playing because I wanted to play. Jesus, this is so cringy. Okay, enough of the boastful. Okay, we're attacking Norway. I've been through a lot. I've done a lot of levels, and Denmark, I just fought an elephant. And if you don't have this game or not, elephants are douchebags. And if you just fought them, they're really hard to kill. But I have cats, special cats. I had cats. I have good cats. And I just got a cat called Cats in a Box. Now, I really just started off. It's a fish in the water and a snake in it, because that makes sense. God, I love my life, and I don't know why I'm doing this. Okay, they were coming to my base, but they have a long walk, so I'm waiting till they get really close, because I want to see what this cat does, and I want to see badly. I've seen this. I think it's his true form, but I think I've seen the Cats in a Box true form. It's like the one at 80, I think 80 or ATSD. I'm not a Star Wars fan. I'm not sure. Jesus, a bat? Huh? Why would a 3 little cute cats in a box have a freaking nail-covered bat? Hey, you know what they say? You learn something new every day. Now you might hear something in the background. That's a fan. My fan is loud as hell, so please don't mind. Okay, so let's put that and this. Okay. The cat in the box is pretty fast. They have pretty fast movement speed. Rams. They never really showed up a problem for me, because how fast the ninjas saw and how much the swordsman cat did so much damage. So the lions never got really as much hits, unless there was something like that in front of it that has health. But then I think the box and the cats has splash damage, like area attack. I think. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. It's got a new box cat running on his way here. Is it just me? There's 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. There's four legs though. 4 pairs of legs, and there's only 3 of them, unless one has 4 legs. Wait, what? That is true, but in this game they only have. Okay, I'm confused. Oh boy. Okay, we got pigs. I need a bean cat. A bean cat. Oh Jesus. Oh no. Yeah, we killed the beast before they got anything. Sweet. Income tax. Nice. Income tax. I got money. Oh wait. Oh Jesus. Troy. Hey. since I just started, nothing's really sponsoring me. But you guys should really, if you don't have it already, there's an app called Amino. It's a very cool app. Well, just like you can like source up communities that you can join and chat with online players of things you like. Like I have a lot of communities I joined. I joined Undertale, joined Over the Golden Wall, Gravity Falls, Halo, Final Fantasy Freddy's. A lot of stuff I've joined, and you should really get the app. It's really fun. But back to the video. I want to see what I have. If I can upgrade. I haven't been using lots of cats, really. But I must see. Comment down below what the swordsman cat turns into fully evolved and his second evolution. Because I would really like to know. Okay. Since I can upgrade them. Maybe I can upgrade I don't use none of the cats super well. I can nope. I can okay, never mind. I can upgrade them. Special cats. That's why you got the ninja and cats in a box. Nice. Okay. I can upgrade him. Oh, cats in a box. Do that. And hopefully I have enough to upgrade him again. Nope. 8,000. Jeez. Oh boy. Bondage cat. Have you guys seen this full evolution? It's a little weird. Like, I don't know what happened to this cat, but he's been through some shit. Man. Well, I don't know how long this video has been for, but I think I'm gonna end it here. So, yeah. Bye!